In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your audio preferences in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're prepping for an important meeting or just want to ensure the best audio experience on your calls, configuring your audio settings correctly can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to go to Microsoft Teams. Start by opening up your browser and navigating to the website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Give it a moment to load, and soon enough, you'll find yourself on the Teams dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Navigating this interface is pretty straightforward, but if this is your first time, don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. Now that you've made it to the dashboard, let's head on over to the Settings menu. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, just select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories lined up on the left side. We're specifically interested in the Devices section, so go ahead and click on that. Welcome to the Devices settings. This is where you can control how you hear and are heard on Teams. Under Devices, you'll notice a section labeled Audio. This section is where you make the important choice of selecting your speaker. By default, this might be set to your computer speakers, but for a more personalized experience, we recommend switching this to your desired headset. Just click on the drop-down menu next to the speaker option, and you should see a list of available audio devices. Choose your preferred headset from the list. This ensures that all your meetings, calls, and notifications play through the correct device, helping you maintain better sound quality and privacy, especially in busy or noisy environments. Once you've changed to your desired headset, you're pretty much set. There's no need to save anything manually, as Teams automatically updates your settings in real time. After verifying that your headset is set as the default speaker, you can close the settings window and get back to your work or the ongoing call with confidence that your audio setup is exactly how you want it. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully configured your audio settings in Microsoft Teams. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure clear and seamless communication, making your meetings more productive and enjoyable. Remember, having the right setup can make a huge difference, especially when everything needs to run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.